was once a cat in a sloth. They lived in the streets of Tokyo. The cat was in charge of getting food every single night. He hated this job. I hate this job. I do not want to be in charge of getting the food. The sloth was in charge of making sure they had a good place to sleep every night. I have to go stroll every street just to make sure that we have a bed to sleep. They were both very unhappy with their jobs, but they did not know what to do. Finally, the cat had an idea what to do. He jumped in the sloth's back. Hey, get off my back. But the cat refused. He stayed on there for many days. He laughed and laughed while the sloth said, "You're hurting me, stop it." But he refused. Finally, the sloth said, "I will get you off." And the cat laughed and said, "You cannot get me off.